So our FDA team from the yesterday's drive that we carried out in the evening, we continued today, and we started off by visiting few more of these shops selling these chocolate analogs. Chocolate analog is a product which is made with vegetable fat. So instead of using cocoa butter, they use a cheaper alternative, vegetable fat. There is no ban on chocolate analogs, but they have to be labeled properly. So that is why we have been carrying out this drive. We have visited 2 more shops and the stock has been withdrawn. Similarly, we have also issued directives to their suppliers. We have identified who the suppliers are and we have given them 7 days time to withdraw whatever is there in the market and to correct their labels. So this process is on, which we are monitoring. Besides that, in total we have done 12 premises today. From 12 premises we have closed down 7 premises for being violating the hygiene norms, and 3 premises have been fined because they were inspected earlier, and post inspection till date they were seen that there were some non-compliances, hence they have been fined. Similarly, these chicken shops here at the Housing Board colony, which were closed last week, 2 people during our checks had closed and gone away. Today we have come back and we have shut these other 2 shops as well. ना 2 बंद केले आता. जी फाटले खेपे आमी आयिल्ले तेन्ना ते जेन्ना ड्रायव चालू आसलेले ते बंद करून गेल्ले, म्हणून आमकां मेळोंक नासलेले. सो आयज परते येवन तांकां बंद केले आमी. हे एक चालू केल्ले आनी एक तो मेळोंक नासलो ताका बंद केला. टोटल आमी 12 प्रमायसीस केले आयज आनी 12तल्यान 6 जे आसा हे बंद केल्या, 7 बंद केल्या आनी 3 हांकां फायन घातलेली आसा. ही मिक्स 2 चिकन शॉपां जाली आनी बाकीचे जे आसा ते रेस्टॉरंट, आनी एक जो आसा तो मोमोज हे करतालो आनी मोमोज हे सप्लाय करतालो. ओके, सो ताकाय तेजे युनीट खंय वयताले ते कोणें ताका रेंटेड प्रमायसीस दिल्ले तेवूय वचून आमी ते बंद केला लायसन्स ना असल्या कारणान.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.